In this video we will be replacing the battery from a OneTouch UltraMini blood glucose meter. Start with the meter off. Open the battery door and pull up on the battery ribbon. If the battery ribbon is not visible, then you can remove the battery by using a small flathead screwdriver. The meter uses 13V CR2032 lithium battery. Replacement batteries can be found in most stores where batteries are sold. A link for the battery is included in the description section below. With the positive side facing up toward you, place the battery in the compartment within the fold of the ribbon. Push the battery until it snaps into place. Insert the two battery door tabs into the matching holes, and push down until you hear the door click into place. Thanks for watching.